Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool dryer terminal block. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new terminal block. The terminal block insulates the power wires coming into the dryer. The manager should be changing it out, so if the wire shorted out and the terminal block was damaged. In order to change the part, we have to go around to the back of the dryer. Now that we're on back, we're going to remove this small access panel in the center of the dryer. We're going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver to take out the screw. Once you have the screw out, you can take the panel off and set it aside. Now that we have the panel out of the way, we can take out the screws that hold the wires down. We're just going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver to take them out. Once you have the screws out, we're going to remove the wires from the cord. You want to make sure you separate them so you keep them in the same spot as they came off, so when we put it back on, you know where they go. And we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that hold the terminal block to the cabinet. And we're going to carefully pull the terminal block out. And we have to take the wires out of it. You have 3 wires. You have the black one, the white one, and the red one. We're going to take a small flathead screwdriver and we're going to get behind the wires so we can press on that little locking tab and then push down on the wire. And once you have it pushed down a little bit, you can lift the wire out and get the nut. We can do the other 2. Once you have all the wires and nuts off, you can pull the terminal block off the dryer. Here's the old terminal block next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new terminal block in, we're going to put 1 wire on at a time. So we're going to put 1 nut in there at a time. And then all you have to do is put the wire past the terminal block, kind of pull it up at an angle so it goes underneath the tabs right here at the top, and then pull it in so it locks into place. If you pushed on your tab too hard when you were taking the wire out that it doesn't lock in, you can take the small flathead screwdriver and just press on the tab a little bit so it stays in place. Once you have the first one in, we can do the other 2. Once you have the wires on, we can mount the terminal block. We're just going to lift it up into place. And then we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in that hold it on. Now we can put the power cord wires on. You want to make sure you put them in the same position that you took them off. We're just going to grab them one at a time, and then we can use the 1/4-inch nut driver to put in the screws and hold them all on. You want to make sure you tighten these down so you get a good connection. You don't want it to come loose and have it arc. To put the cover on, we're just going to set the 2 lower tabs onto the cabinet and lift it up into place. And use the 1/4-inch nut driver to put in the screw. Now that you have the dryer put back together, you can plug it in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.